Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to use WinCC Flexible 2008, about how to create the alarm. Okay, if we talk about alarm, there are two types of alarm. The first one is discrete alarm. The second one is analog alarm. So in this section, I would like to show and share about how to create the discrete alarm that can generate from the analog and convert to the digital, and then it will show the alarm when, example, the temperature of heat bearing of generator or earth bearing of generator is abnormal, it will show alarm. Okay, so to create the alarm, I will use the SIMATIC Manager and WinCC Flexible to create the PLC and screen to show the alarms. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so first open SIMATIC Manager. And I will use the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. So let's go to find the project name generator. Yes, it is the existing project. Okay, here. And then we can download this project to the PLC that we already learned in the previous video. Yes. Okay, so we can online. Okay. So this is an existing project that we already learned in the previous video. So for example, to create the alarms, let's create the data block. Okay, I will delete this one first. Okay, so first create the data block. To create the data block, let's go to blocks and then right click here, insert the new data blocks. Okay, and this is data block number 1, example for alarms. So the first one, we double click to create the variables for alarm. Example alarm 1, it is a boolean. Example alarm 1 for heat temperature high. Okay, and for alarm 2, it is boolean also. Initial value 0, it fall. Heat temperature of bearing, right? Heat bearing temperature. Okay, I will delete this one first. Okay, heat bearing temperature high. Okay, and alarm 4, Boolean also, initial value 0 also, earn bearing, temperature high, and for alarm, sorry, this one alarm 3, okay, alarm 4, Boolean 0, it means that fall, initial value 0, it means off, 1 it means on, okay. So earn bearing, temperature high, okay. So let's test for this for alarm first. So I will delete this one and then save the project, and then we can download. Yes, okay, and then close it. So right now we already created the data block for DB1. So we need to create the alarm here. Which one is the earn? Yes. Head bearing, yes, here. So I will compare by using this value. Example, I set this one, okay, let me create here and use the comparator. So CMP for compare. Example, less than, sorry, greater than, yes, greater than equal real. So example, this one compare with the set point that we set. Example, 50.0 degrees Celsius. So it will generate the alarm, right? It will generate the alarm. So let me cut here, and then let me insert one more for network. Alarm of head bearing generator, okay. So I can paste here, and then I will use the contact, sorry, coil. So DB, okay, we can put here, yes, the table here that we already created. So head bearing high, right, for alarm 1, so double click here, okay. And for alarm 2, we can insert okay, like this. This one should be alarm high, right? Okay, alarm high, and we can create one more network. Okay, and then we can use the CMP for compare. Greater than equal real, yes. So the output the same, yes. This one for head bearing, and then compare with the 60 degrees Celsius. It means that if the value of this one greater than 50, it show high one, yeah. And for this one greater than or equal 60 degrees Celsius, it will show alarm high. Okay, so I will use quite one more and dB, and this one alarm 2 for temperature high. Yes, here, double click. Okay, and for the bearing of head bearing, sorry, this one is earth bearing, right? Head bearing, this one should be earth bearing. Okay, earth bearing. So I will create 2 network more, and then we can use the CMP. Yes, greater than equal real. Okay, and then I will use this one, compare with example 50.0 also. One more coin. Yes, so dB 1.dbd 3 for alarm 3, right? This one. Okay, and one more we can copy and paste for high alarm. Example 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, and this one should be alarm 4, right? Okay, and we can comment it a little bit. This one should be high. Of earth bearing, and this one should be high of earth bearing. Okay, and then we can save the project and then download to the PLC and online. And we need to create the alarm on WinCC Flexible, right? So let's go to create the alarm on WinCC Flexible. So open WinCC Flexible software, and then I will use the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. So the project name is generator. Okay, so wait a moment for opening the project. So this one is the existing screen that we already learned in the previous video. So I will create the new screen. Yes, example this one for main screen. And this one for alarm screen. Okay, so to create the alarm, first go to the object, enhance object. So drag and drop the alarm view to here. Okay, and we can resize the object a little bit. If the screen is big, it also can use easy to view. Yes, so it just example. So I will use this screen to simulation. Okay, like this. Okay, so we need to create the text for alarm, right? So go to the discrete alarms Yes, double click here, and then here is the text that we want to show on the screen. Yes, to show the text message, it means that alarm message here. So example, head bearing, high alarm, right? Okay, and I will create the new text for alarm. Go to the text and then create new. Example, alarm text. Okay, and I will use the data type word for this alarm. Okay, and then please OK. Good. And for the trigger bit, if we choose 0, it will start from db1.dbdh0. But our point is db1.dbdh0.0, right? So I will adjust this one to H. It will start from H. Yes. So it become db1.dbdh0.0, the same as this one. Okay. So next, we can copy and then paste here. Should be changed to high alarm. Yes, and this one automatically arrange the bits. Okay, so db1.dbdh0.1. Okay, and one more for earn bearing high alarm. So earn bearing high alarm. Yes, automatically. One more for earn bearing high alarm. Okay, so we just test 4, and this is the address of the alarms, and this is the alarm message. Yes, for show on the screen. So let's test. I will save, and then I will call the screen by using the button. Yes, I will use the button. Example, go to screen alarm. Okay, something like this. Just example. So if the real practice or everyone have the project should be designed to better than me, because it is just example for this tutorial. Okay, so go to screen alarm. Okay, like this, and then I will go to event and then go to click and choose the activate screen. Yes, here, and choose the screen name for main screen or alarm screen. Okay, so I will choose the alarm screen. Yes, screen number 2, and we need to click back, right, from this screen to another screen. So I will copy this one and go to the screen alarm and paste this one. Okay, and this one should be go to main screen. Okay, go to main screen. Okay, and I will use one more button for activate the alarms. So I need to go to property and then go to column. go to display, and here is the option that we can use the acknowledge alarm or edit the button. Okay, so if I press the checkbox acknowledge button, it happen here. Okay, so let's save the project and then use the simulation, because right now I already online the SIMATIC Manager. Yes, so let simulation, and then go to screen alarm, right? So go to screen alarm. Yes. Okay, I will change this one a little bit. For this one, go to event, press and call activate the screen main, right? Because we need to return to the main screen. And I would like to adjust this one a little bit like this. Okay, and then save the project again and simulation again. Okay, like this. Okay, let's test. Go to screen alarm, go to main screen. Yes. Okay, right now let's see the temperature of bearing and winding around 25 degrees Celsius. So let me hit the thermocouple to show the alarm. Yes. Okay, let's test. Let's see, the temperature will go up. Okay, and let's go to the page alarm to see the alarm. Right now, here, it occurred the alarm. Yes, because the temperature is over than set point. Yes, let's see the alarm message here. Okay, so right now the temperature is lower than set point. We set point 50 degrees Celsius for alarm high. So right now around 43. So okay, 43 something. So I can press the acknowledge for clear the alarm. Yes. Okay. Okay, I will hit again to let's see the earn bearing also here. Okay. So let me hit again. Hit the PT100 again. $45. Not yet alarm, right? Let me hit again. Okay, alarm occur right now. Okay, because the temperature is over set point, so it appear the alarm. Okay, so if the temperature is lower than the set point here, we can acknowledge. Right now we cannot acknowledge. Let's see here, because it's still alarm. Yes, here around 56, 55. Yeah, it decrease step by step. Okay, so this is a discrete alarm. Actually, we can also create the analog alarm, and I will show and share to everyone in the next video. for how to create the analog alarm. So in this time we already know how to create the screen, how to create the alarm. So if everyone have any project that related to the alarm or show the value of the temperature or voltage or something that convert from analog, yes, to show the real value, everyone can use this step. Okay, so the basic is very important. If everyone would like go to the advanced of learning, we can learn from the basic, and the simulation is very important that we can use it to learn from at home or anywhere that we want. So the first one, we need to have the simulation, and especially if everyone have the PLC module, is also very important, so we can practice for connect the wiring or some function that we want. Yes, so thank you very much for watching my video, and if everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon, and I would like to request all of you to like, share and subscribe my video also, to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.